Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad. Structural Engineering 1, RCC. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In last videos, we discussed about design. What is the meaning of design? In this video, we will see some more important points. See, the purpose of design is providing a safety structure. Not only safety structure, we have to design as per plan, section elevation as per architectural requirement. Sometimes without a prior plan also we have to implement as the requirement of the user or architecture. The design should evaluate a structural solution for safety and serviceability throughout its design life. See, what is the design life of RC structures? Generally 80 years to 100 years, as you know, which gives a greatest overall economy for the first cost and for maintenance cost. See, there should be minimum maintenance. The design should be like that. So this is the very important. The design expresses the process of developing design and construction as per plan and as per the requirement of architectural plan or users or owners requirement. Safety is one of the important factor and related to serviceability of the structure and overall economy also important. I will show you some of the figures here. If you see this plan, see these are generally given by architect. But at present scenario, generally our civil engineers are giving these plans. If you see in many towns and villages, other district areas, these plans are given by our engineers, but elevation work and other architecture views are given by architect. So, in fact, this also plan also will be given by the architect. So suppose this is a plan given by an architect of with 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, and 1 kitchen and toilet one. This is sectional elevation. What are the doors? What is the position? This is a just a plan given by the architect, and this sectional elevation also given by this architect. So this is, we have to construct, we have to design the building according to this plan with these measurements. This is very important in design of the building. I will explain some terms and related to architectures. See, according to our plan, we can construct, you will give design of column, design of beam, design of slabs. As you know, because you know concepts and how, what is the reinforcement required and what is the plan and what is the height and width and length of the beam or column, you know what is the thickness required, but this is comes under structural engineering. But according to architecture, we have to maintain is sectional and other views. See, say here cornice cap. So this also, because of we have to take consideration while we are designing this wall or load, because this pre-plan may not be. See, after construction, suppose the architect or user, you want some beautiful elevation, he will ask you, they will ask architect to have some type of cornice cap. So these, just as discussed in previous topic, without in previous plan, some items may not be there, but we have to incorporate in the design while in the constructions. So this is also very important. But meanwhile, safety also important. Suppose if you are constructing like that, see, because here when you are constructing parapet wall, you have to leave some types of rods or some type of projections, because this weight, it should be withstand throughout its lifetime. That is serviceability. So this is very important. So these may be, we may not expect, and we have to consider, may come. So some users may ask like this, because for them, see that financial, no problem, they want a good elevation of the building, like this is a lower corpus by with a mob base like this. See, this actually usually skilled labor work, and the cost will be more. And this is a window pattern like this. Generally, we have a rectangle type, generally what you see in your classrooms or your residence. But this is a different type. See here, this in first floor, you will see a rectangular or square windows. But here, you have like type arch. So this here, the design is different. Okay. So this is also we have to consider. Here vertical points were broken like this, vertical points. These are plain. Here you don't want simple one, okay? Only edges like this you want. So this is a tall first story. This one, it will be more height. This is a heavy stone facial. So if you see in many buildings in ground floor, you will see stones, and one insert stone in front. This is a typical elevation. Okay, as per elevation, your design should be there. See, that is the structural engineer safely, and durability is very important in design. See, this is our some sun breakers or box layers given in the elevation. So some architects, they will give you at the initial stage, but maybe change it after the construction also. At the time of construction, we'll get some idea. So according to this also, we have to take care in design of the building. Okay, this is for example why I am insisting. See, definitely you are going to design the building at any time. So these factors you should know. So this is the sun breakers, different breakers. This weight also will take care by us in designing of the building. This is also some domes. So this design is also very different, and safely we have to design. That is very important. Different type of architectures, including our structural, without affecting our structural safety. We have to give these ornaments, architectural views, and we have to take care of all this height. So these are all the concepts of our design. Okay, so this is one type of cornice building. This column height is more. In coming topics, we will see how to design columns with more height. So This also we have to design safely. After 10 years, 5 years, you should not fall down. Simply, so these aspects we have to consider in the design. Okay, the design usually has to satisfy certain goals and constraint, may take into account aesthetic, safety, functional, economic, social, political consideration, and is expected to interact with certain environment. So this is also very important. See, in aesthetic or some elevations, there may be problems. So these all we have to consider, we have to discuss with the architect. See, if required, we can suggest some changes with respect to your material, which will not affect your environment condition. See, major examples of design include architectural blueprints, engineering drawings, business process, circuit diagrams, and saving pattern. So this is the main concept of the design. Okay. See, usually it should satisfy our goals, and we have to consider account of aesthetic, safety, economic, socio political. See, if you provide some different type of structure, it should not be become a social political issue, and it should be uh, compile with your environment. It should not be pollute your environment conditions by using different materials in the construction. Major examples of designs including your blueprint, which are given by architect, our engineering drawings, business process, circuit diagram, sieving pattern. So we'll see some more topics in the coming video. Thank you.